How you doing? I'm Larry from Project Sign. We're going to show you how to install a nameplate onto a glass panel, office panel, with a backer, so you don't see the adhesive behind the sign itself. We're starting with a piece of vinyl that I'll provide with you. It's cut to the size of the sign, and we start with a square. We're going to hold the square up, measure from the floor wherever you want the sign, and we just place it on the bottom of the square, tape it in place with some blue tape, peel back, peel this back, like so. Pair of scissors, cut this, cut the backer section, and then you tape that on, rub that on like that. Remove your blue tape. Come up, take the rest of the backer off, and you're gonna just rub that down like so. You can use a squeegee too. So this has a paper piece that's protecting that. Now you peel this off. So now you have a nice silver rectangle that will hide the adhesive that's on the back of the sign, so you don't see that from the inside of the room. Take our adhesive off. You could go back to using the square, so it's square to that, and you just pop it on like so. And there you have it. You can't see the back, but that should do it. Thanks.